Multiplication is an operation that gives you the total number when you join together equal groups. The numbers that you join together are called factors. So those are the two numbers that you will be multiplying, and in the future, maybe more than two numbers that you will be multiplying together. The answer that you get to your multiplication equation is called the product. You can multiply using different strategies: repeated addition, equal groups, arrays, and number lines. In this video, I will show you how to multiply using all four of these strategies. Here you will see equal groups. We have 1, 2 equal groups, so our first factor is 2. In each group, there are 1, 2, 3 counters, so our second factor is 3. So we have 2 times 3. Count up all your counters, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your product is 6. 2 times 3 equals 6. Here we have equal groups. You will see that we have 1, 2, 3 equal groups. So for our first number, we will write 3. Our first factor is 3. In each group, there are 3 counters. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So our second factor is 3. So we have 3 groups, and each group has 3 counters. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our product is 9. 3 times 3 equals 9. Here you will see equal groups. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal groups. Our first factor is 5. In each group, there's 1 counter. Our second factor is 1. 5 times 1. Count up all your counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your product is 5. 5 times 1 equals 5. Now let's get started with arrays. This is an array. So we will count the number of boxes on each side. So on this side, we have 1, 2. We'll label that as 2. And on this side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will label that as 5. So the equation would be 2 times 5 because we have 2 5 times. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 times 5 equals 10. Let's practice with another array. We will label each side. This side has 1, 2, 3, so we'll label our first factor as 3. This side has 1, 2, 3 also, so our other factor is 3. 3 times 3. Let's count them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 times 3 equals 9. And let's do one more array. We will label our sides. We have 1, 2 as our first factor. And on the other side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have our second factor is 6. 2 times 6. So let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 times 6 equals 12. Now let's work with number lines. We have 3 groups of 8. 3 times 8. So that means we are going to hop on the number line 3 times, and each hop will be 8. So we will start at 0 and we will hop to 8. So I label that as 1 hop. Now we'll do another 8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 will bring us to 16. Draw my second hop. And one more hop will give us 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That will bring us to 24. So our third hop brings us to 24. So 3 times 8 equals 24. Now we have 2 groups of 4. So that means we are going to have 2 hops, and each hop is going to have 4. So we start at 0 and we count to 4. That will be our first hop. And I labeled that as 1 hop. So we have one more hop to get 2. So another hop of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 will bring us to 8. So that would be 2 groups. Each group has 4, and we end at 8. So 2 times 4 equals 8. Our last number line problem. We have 3 groups of 3, so we are going to hop 3 times, and each hop is going to have 3. So we'll start at 0. Our first hop will bring us to 3. We'll label that as 1 hop. Another hop of 3 will go 4, 5, 6. That will be our second hop of 3. And then one more hop of 3. 1, 2, 3 will bring us to 9. So 3 times 3 equals 9. Now let's move on to repeated addition. Addition and multiplication are related. Here we have 3 groups of 5. So that's like saying that we have 5 3 times. So 5, 5, 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 shows 3 groups of 5. We can also write that as having the number 5 3 times. 3 times 5 is the same as 5 plus 5 plus 5. And your answer would be 5, 10, 15. 3 times 5 equals 15. Let's try another repeated addition. Here we have 4 groups of 1. That's like saying that we have the number 1 4 times. 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 of them. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is the same as 4 times 1. And that would be 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 1 equals 4. Let's do our last repeated addition. We have 6 groups of 3, which is the number 3 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. We have the number 3 6 times. 6 times 3. Count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 6 times 3 equals 18. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it helped. Check out my Teaching Exchange Classroom for worksheets and centers. View my Grade 3 multiplication bundle for practice with these strategies.